This video tutorial explains the Luma waveform functions of the LS7P monitor. Tap the screen to open the menu, tap Functions, and then click Luma Waveform to turn on the Luma Waveform function. In the Luma Waveform tab, there are 6 parameters to set: opacity, brightness, warning color, warning area, waveform switch, and position. Click opacity to select off 25%, 50%, and 75%. You can change the transparency of the luminance waveform as needed. Click brightness to adjust the display brightness of the Luma waveform. Click warning color to turn on or off the markings of the over limit areas on the Luma waveform. Click warning areas to change the range of the low or high areas of the Luma waveform. Click waveform switch to switch the size of the Luma waveform. Click position to change the position of the Luma waveform on the screen. The above is the complete introduction to the Luma waveform function of the LS7P monitor.